You know English words but still feel afraid while speaking? Do you stop in the middle because you cannot make sentences? Then today's class is very important for you because spoken English starts with one thing: sentences. Namaste. Today we are learning spoken English basics and our topic is sentence. If your sentence formation becomes strong, your spoken English also becomes strong. Okay? Tell me honestly, do you translate from your mother tongue while speaking English? Or do you know words but cannot arrange them correctly? Don't worry. Today we will learn step by step. So, what is a sentence? First, let us understand the definition of sentence. A sentence is a group of words that gives complete meaning. Okay? For example, I am happy. She is singing. They are playing. These sentences give complete meaning. Now come to types of sentences. Now let us learn the four main types of sentences. They are declarative sentences. Declarative sentences tell us something or give information. Okay. For examples, I am a student. He plays football. Positive sentence. Positive or affirmative sentences say something in a positive way. For examples, she is happy. We are friends. In negative sentence use not, N-O-T, not, and show negative meaning. For examples, she is not sad. They are not late. Can one small word change the meaning of a sentence? Yes. When we add not, N-O-T, not, a positive sentence becomes negative. Okay. Now come to next, that is interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences ask questions. What is your name? Are you ready? These sentences end with a question mark. Okay? Number 3, imperative sentences. Imperative sentences give commands, advice, or request. For example, open the door. Please help me. Come to next, number 4, exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences express strong feelings or emotions. For example, what a beautiful flower. Wow, this is amazing. Now, speak with me. I am learning English. She is not angry. Are you happy? Please sit down. What a lovely day. Very good. Sentence formation is very important for spoken English. Okay? When you learn how to make sentences correctly, you can speak confidently. Okay? So, now your turn. You have to write one positive sentence, one negative sentence, one question sentence, in the comment. Okay, I will read your answers. Do not fear grammar. Every fluent speaker once started with small simple sentences. In the next class, we will learn more spoken English sentence patterns. Okay? Till then, practice daily and keep learning. Okay? Namaste. Bye bye.